Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have another dive coaster construction update. When walking up, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks like they have moved more construction vehicles in this lot, but I don't see the track yet, so yeah. But as you can see, they've moved stuff out of where underneath the Vora would be, but it looks like they're getting even more ready. It looks like that might be where a big footer goes. And it might be, it's really hard to see through the fence, but there's a few throughout this entire lot, and it's actually kind of exciting to see. But yeah, as you can see, they've been digging up some of the lot for the footers. But it doesn't look like there's any new tracker supports. But it is exciting to see that they're starting to dig up for footers. But from what I can see back here, it looks like they might have gotten 2 more big supports, but it's hard to tell. Yeah, and I do believe there's 2 more thick supports back there. But yeah, there is no more new track, but there is 2 more new supports. Sorry, I've been speaking wrong. There is a few new pieces. Let me try to look for a better angle, but I haven't expressed this enough, but this track is thick. Yeah, it looks like there is 1 or 2 new pieces of track and a few more supports. Last time there was only 2 or 3 pieces of track. Now this time it looks like there's about 4 pieces of track and 2 more thicker supports right over there. And it does look like they're actively doing work over there where there was big holes in the ground. And I could be wrong, but it looks like there is more of these little smaller supports as well. But yeah, that is the updates from out here. Now let's look from the inside of the park. As you can see, not much has changed from the inside of the park, but it is nice to see that they are actively doing construction. Okay, as we're walking out, it sounds like there is a concrete truck here, so they might be starting to pour some footers where I saw the big old holes. But other than that, there wasn't much new on the inside. So let's go look over by the concrete truck. I'm guessing it's a concrete truck, but I'm not fully sure yet. But it is really nice to see them actively doing work. That does conclude today's video. I am really glad to see them actually doing work, and track shipments are coming in every week, and I bet you next week there'll be even more tracks. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.